You see the doctrine, the kanang advantage nimo nga believer, you have doctrine in your soul, okay? In your cardia. Once you face any problem, small or big problem, you have something to pull from your heart, from your cardia, na nakay kanang
Ma-apply.
mabira. You see? Na nakay mabira. You can pull from there, apply to Bible doctrine. Kay kung wa kay Bible doctrine, wa kay, you cannot pull anything. Wa man kay suod diha sa imong kalag nga Bible doctrine. You see? Nakita nimo how critical Bible doctrine is? Critical kaya na. Mauna na part na and parcel sa atong kalag. Kaya mo rin madaha sa atong kalag when we exit from this world.